Hey there, I'm Corey, and I'm here to tell you a bit about what it is to be a warehouse worker. We're responsible for the day-to-day operations in a warehouse, including things such as receiving incoming shipments, storing goods in the right place, picking and packing orders for shipment, and organising inventory. We play a critical part in the supply chain, and we know how to receive, store, and ship goods efficiently and accurately. We help ensure the product gets where it needs to go in a timely way. What makes my job amazing is the dynamic and fast-paced nature of the warehouse environment. Every day brings in new challenges and opportunities to problem solve and improve on our processes. From organising inventory to operating machinery, there's always something to keep us on our toes. If you're looking for a career that offers variety, hands-on experience, competitive wages, and a chance to work in a great team environment, then a career as a warehouse operator could be perfect for you.